let's get you the latest political developments we're tracking from Goa. In one of the harshest attacks on the Congress ever in recent times, Mamata Banerjee has said that Prime Minister Modi is becoming more powerful because of the Congress, and it is the Congress which is increasing the BJP's TRP. The West Bengal Chief Minister on a two-day visit to Goa has launched an attack in response to questions about Rahul Gandhi arriving in Goa as she was about to leave after a maiden visit ahead of the party that is trying to make inroads ahead of the 2022 elections in Goa. Now, Mamata Banerjee has met with Vijay Sardesai, sparking speculations about the possibility of a political coup. Vijay Sardesai, remember, has been a former Deputy Chief Minister of Goa in the BJP government. He also reached out to the Congress for a deal, but says he wasn't happy with the response. Now, the deal here is that Vijay Sardesai wants an alliance with the Trinamool Congress. The Trinamool Congress, on the other hand, we're learning, wants a merger. Listen in.
Is TMC keeping the door closed for the Congress, or is that possibility still open?
I cannot say everything right now because they didn't take seriously in politics. Modi ji is going to be more powerful because of Congress, because they are their TRP. If one cannot take a decision, why the country will suffer for that? Why country will suffer for that? They have got enough opportunity. They have contested instead of BJP, they contested against of me in my state. Don't you think that morning shows the day? When they contested against of me even, when they contested against of my political party in Bengal, how they expect they will contest against the power and we will give only flowers to them and sweet to them? We have to distribute the sweet for all the regional parties. I want to see the regional parties are strong. And we want that union of states. That theory should be changed. And federal structure should be strong. Then every state strong. If every state strong, then central strong. Delhi ka dadagiri, anik nakka. Enough is enough. Fair enough. We discussed the matter that let us work together who are committed to fight against BJP. So it is their decision, their choice, what they will decide. We want to avoid the division of the vote. The regional local parties can work together to fight the BJP and to give a good fight to the BJP.
We are a symbol of regionalistic sentiment of Goans. We cannot just merge overnight. Can you go and tell a party in Tamil Nadu, a small party, come and merge? So if the road to India starts from Goa, there will have to be a convergence of like-minded entities. It just won't happen with a merger. Okay. It will happen with coming together. So coming together is a good start.
The battle for Goa spilling out onto the streets, not physically but in banners and posters. I'm at the place where Mamata Banerjee has been staying for the last 2 days, and right outside that venue you have banners and posters of Rahul Gandhi come up this morning. Rahul Gandhi, who is coming in to Goa today, the same day that Mamata Banerjee is leaving. The relationship between these two parties could go a long way in deciding what eventually happens in Goa. Will they fight together or will they fight separately and split the opposition anti-BJP vote? Mamata Banerjee has been busy. Today she is meeting a key player in Goa politics, Vijay Sardesai, who is coming to meet her. Vijay Sardesai used to be Deputy Chief Minister in the BJP government. He is an old-time congressman. He has 3 MLAs, crucial to calculations in Goa politics. Yesterday, several other Goa political leaders met Mamata Banerjee, including from Maharashtravadi Gomantak Party, the NCP, as well as independent MLA Rohan Khaunte. What will all these talks and exchanges boil down to is the big question. BJP, of course, is calling the Trinamool, the Congress leader, and up political tourists. But will the tourists walk away with the cake at the end of the day? BJP says no, but the turmoil in the political arena of Goa could go any which way. With Ashok Mahale, Monadeepa Banerjee, NDTV.